Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. I hope you are doing great. Welcome again to my channel in which we deliver lessons for teaching Moroccan Darija. In today's lessons, we are going to talk about al-ma'isha, living in Moroccan Darija. Without further ado, so let's dive in our lesson. Okay, so I have always explained it, so we focused on the PPP approach, which means presentation, practice, then production. We start with presenting our vocabularies, presenting useful expressions, then we move to the practice dialogues, then we move to the production. Production in the section of production, so it is up to you to come out with the dialogue and come out with all what you have learned in our lesson. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the vocabulary. Vocabulary words. المعيشة, living. For example, here the famous question is, what do you do for a living? Or what is your job? أشنو كدير في المعيشة ديالك؟ Okay, أشنو كدير في حياتك؟ We can say also شنو كدير في حياتك، شنو كدير في المعيشة ديالك، منين كتدبر شؤون المعيشة ديالك. اوكي. الفلاحة agriculture، الفلاحة agriculture. القمح wheat، الشعير الشعير، barley الخضرة vegetables، الخضرة. So here, so if you notice so it is a sound that doesn't exist in the English language. Okay, it doesn't exist in English, but it exists in German language, and it exists also in Moroccan Darija and Tamazight. Okay. البهايم domestic livestock. البهايم domestic livestock. Okay, so let's move to the first practice dialogue. Linda: Assalamu alaikum. Ali: Wa alaikum assalam. Linda: علاش كيعتمدوا الناس في المعيشة ديالهم في هاد الدوار؟ علاش كيعتمدوا الناس people في المعيشة ديالهم في هاد الدوار؟ علي: الفلاحة. We have already seen the meaning of الفلاحة agriculture. الفلاحة. ليندا: شنو عندكم في الفلاحة؟ علي: كاين القمح، الشعير، الخضرة، الشجر، البهايم، وكنربيو النحل. كاين القمح، الشعير، الخضرة، الشجر، البهايم، وكنربيو النحل. ليندا: الله يقوي الخير. Okay, let's move to the translation. The translation of the previous dialogue. Translation. Linda: peace be upon you. Ali: peace be upon you too. What do you do for a living? Or what do people depend on their living? Okay? Agriculture. As we have said, الفلاحة agriculture. So what do you grow? So we grow wheat, barley, vegetables, trees. We also have animal husbandry and beekeeping. Linda: my God, replenish. Okay, so let's move to the first exercise here, matching exercise. Match each Darija word with its English translation. As we have already explained all words. So here, al-ma'isha, al-flaha, القمح الشعير الخضراء الشجر والبهايم المعيشة الفلاحة القمح الشعير So here it is up to you to pause the video and try to do the exercise. Now here are the answers. Before you look at the answers or before you see the answers, so it is better to answer the question, pause the video and take your time in order to test your knowledge concerning learning Moroccan Darija. So here there is another exercise, fill in the blanks exercise. Complete the dialogue by filling in the blanks with the correct vocabulary words. Yeah. Also, so you have to return to the dialogue and you have to select the appropriate word by which you can fill in the blanks in the current dialogue. Okay? It is up to you to it is up to you to do the exercise, and also it is a part of production. You have to come out with your practice dialogue. Okay? Now let's move to the cultural point. Cultural points. Tabarakallah. 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 Okay, so this phrase is commonly used to avoid the evil eye and express goodwill. In the context of agriculture, people use this to wish for continued success and protection against negative influence. Okay. People say Tabarakallah in order to avoid the evil eye. Okay, Tabarakallah, MashaAllah. Okay, Allahumma barik wa zid fi dalik. Okay, all those expressions have the same meaning. Fruit trees preference. In Moroccan culture, fruit trees are often preferred and valued in agriculture because they not only provide food but also symbolize abundance and prosperity. Okay, all the time. So fruit trees are symbolized, so prosperity and abundance. Avoiding specifics. Avoiding specific. People often avoid sharing exact amount of their crops or animals to prevent attracting the evil eye. So here, the evil eye is the center area. So people, they don't give you the same or the exact number of everything in order to avoid the evil eyes or to avoid attracting the evil eyes. This practice is rooted in cultural beliefs about protecting one's success from envy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session, inshallah.